Hi, hello everyone, and again, thank you for watching me here on my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco Cruz, your fusion exotic chef. And guess what? Today I am going to share you my version of my yummy, fluffy, chicken liver cheese omelette. I will be right back because I'm going to show you how to clean my liver. So this is a pound of chicken liver. Now I already had prepared and cleaned this and wash it. Make sure you wash it thoroughly. But I'm gonna show you. See, some of it is still have white portion of it. Make sure you take that out. All that white stuff, you take that out. And also, if you see some little bit of blood clot, you can take it out and just scrape it. Right, so this is one of my favorite superpower food. Keeps me healthy, looking young. But again, you guys do your own research because a lot of people does not eat liver. If you do not like liver, you can use any meat you like. Now I am cutting them in little bits of pieces like so. We're gonna wash this one more time. Fantastic. My hands are super clean now. So after cleaning our chicken liver here, time to put our chicken liver into a skillet. Why? I'm gonna cook this first for a few minutes because chicken liver tends to have more water. So I already had put this in a medium-high heat. You do not need to put anything on top of your skillet. Just go ahead and throw it. It is sizzling! So I want my chicken liver to release more water. So we're gonna let that be set in a slow, medium-high heat for a few minutes. Now when I said fluffy, I am talking about fluffy omelette. So I'm gonna show you how to make my fluffy omelette with chicken liver. So I have 6 pieces of eggs over here, and I am going to separate white yolk on here. Take the yellow yolk. 6 whites here in the large bowl. Remember, I had separated 4 yellow yolks here and 6 white over here. So since I am not going to use this extra other 2, I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside. But I am going to mix our yellow yolk. Make sure it's fluffy, like really fluffy. It has been 3 minutes, but guess what? Now it's time to check our chicken liver. So let me show you after cooking it. And it will release a lot of water and it's gonna look much better. So let's go this way. Right, as you guys can see, now time for stirring. Look at all that water that came up from our chicken liver. Time to drain it. Just strain that. Do you remember our white from the egg? Time to mix it and make sure when you mix it, it's gonna be really puff foam, like really foamy. What we're gonna do is we're going to mix them together like so. And look at that. Time for cooking our chicken liver omelette. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee butter. Put your skillet in a medium-high heat. 1 whole shallot. So this is about 2 ounces of whole chopped shallot, julienne cut, and ground black pepper. This is about half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Also, our ground garlic. Now, our ground garlic is also an option. If you do not like ground garlic, you do not have to put this, but I'm gonna tell you, with this dish, you want to try it with garlic, yeah? And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of paprika. And this is cayenne pepper. This is a few pinches of cayenne pepper. Time to add our fresh dill weed. So this is about, I would say, 2 grams of dill weed. Wow, the smell. It smells so good. Can you imagine if you guys are here? You just want to devour. The smell alone is like yum. Time to add our green onions that's already been chopped. So for our green onions, that's about, I would say, 4 ounces of green onions. Now time to add chicken liver. Just spread that. Why do I do it this way? Because I want my chicken liver to also intake all those goodies. I am back. Fantastic. I just washed my hands. Alright, so after adding our chicken liver, give that a little more stir. Gonna let that be cooked for another 2 minutes. Again, I know this is exotic cooking for you, coming from your chef Coco Cruz. Again, your fusion exotic chef. You guys or folks can add any meat or fish you prefer, because this is going to be an ultimate breakfast. Time to add our eggs. Look at all that. Juicy two goodies. Oh dear. Time to add our cheddar cheese. I don't know about you guys, but I love a lot of cheese. Alright, fantastic. At this point, we're gonna let this be cooked for 5 minutes. Cover it. Now it has been 5 minutes. Look at this. See that? Now time to add some salt on the top. So after our yummy fluffy liver chicken omelette has been done, I'm going to transfer this to our plate. Be very careful though when you do this. Look at that. Of course there's more stuff there, but now time to add more Parmesan cheese all over like so. Look at that. And add a little bit more of vegetables. So we add more carrots and cabbage, and guess what? More cheese. I hope you get to enjoy my cooking show here, Cooking with Chef Coco Cruz, here and my YouTube channel. Again, please share this to your families, because you are going to love my yummy fluffy chicken liver omelette. Enjoy. And then what did I say? Okay, so where do I go back? Sorry, I did it again.